She was roasting my camera because she said that my camera looked bad. I'm eating without me. So today, I'm making pupusas today. Frijoles licuados. Frijoles y queso. So I'm gonna get the ingredients right now. And yeah. So why do I look weird in the camera? Anyways,
you already made a mess.
Stop. Wait.
That's not okay.
So the first thing we're gonna do is get the frijoles and mix it with the queso. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave. I think I said it right. Okay, we're gonna put this thing in the microwave. Then we're gonna make the masa. We're gonna make I'm gonna make like 4 or 5 pupusas for me.
You're not gonna make any for your dad.
There's leftovers, yeah. So they're mainly for me. Well, I think it needs more. Mother is making a lot of noises right now. She's walking to the room really weird. I need more. So the thing is, we're making 4. Oh, and there's a bug. You guys should have seen how she jumped.
Minor issues. We need the lights on. Frijoles licuados con queso. Contrátenla para matar insectos que la pagan por insecto.
$100.
$100 a la hora. Y no.
Oh, por minuto.
Regreso.
Okay, guys. So we made, this is the frijoles con queso. I mean, you can't eat this like this, you know. But it might be bad, but like, it's really good. So we're gonna put this in the microwave for less than 30 seconds. Miley's showing me Hello Kitty stuff. I think you can pause now, Madeline. So right now I'm making a masa. Can't see it. I think I put too much water by accident. It's because I was in a rush because I'm really hungry. Yeah, I put a lot of water.
No, thank you.
Oh.
Oh.
Can you get me more?
For what?
What's it called? Harina. So we're gonna end up making tortillas too.
Ah?
We might end up making tortillas too.
What?
You haven't put anything. Look.
Okay. You got saw, right? That's I think.
The masa brosa.
Más sabrosa. Más sabrosa. She hit my face.
I didn't hit your face.
So guys, we're almost done. People. Pause!
You're not even in it. Why are you recording? I've been recording.
Cause I'm really hungry.
This is her Pinterest for you guys that don't know. Okay, it's focus.
Pull it more here.
It's Tatiana. It's the same thing as YouTube.
And this is mine.
It's the same one like YouTube.
So
Promotion, you know?
now we're gonna start
we're
making
gonna-
like a little piece of masa. You guys should know by now. Okay, we're just gonna make like a little hole, like not like a hole, like a little cup in the masa. And now we're gonna put the frijoles y queso in it. I don't know what Madeline is doing, but she's really quiet, you guys.
I'm right here giving mental support.
So once you have it like this, you guys should know how to make pupusas. If you guys don't know, I'm teaching you guys.
So you don't say that she doesn't teach you.
I'm a good person, you know. So then you get a spoon and get a little bit of the frijoles. You guys, I'm not a pro. I'm just making this because I'm really hungry. Okay? So then you go like this. Like that, you know, like closing it. And then we're gonna make it into like this, I guess, like a teardrop. And it's breaking, whatever. I don't think this is gonna be good. If you can't do it with your hands, use a manta. If that helps you. Guys, I'm not a pro at this. I'm just making it because she's bored. So this, and since I made the masa too aguada with too much water, it's a little weird. Because you know I'm not a pro at this, guys. I'm only 14. I should know by now, but y'all know this is too. I talk too much about random things, right, Madeline? It's really bad.
Yeah. Okay, you guys. We have the first one.
I did something wrong, you guys.
You can tell.
Totally wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna repeat that.
I have to spit, you know. If you guys need help, you need to use a spatula to flip that thing over if you need help. So you guys, I flipped it. It got cut in half by accident. You see, I made the masa too aguada. I did something wrong, you guys. It's okay if you did something wrong. You can always fix it, you guys. And mine right here is
I'm currently editing.
in front of my video, in front of my camera, you guys. This has gone wrong, you guys. This has been gone. This is going wrong, you guys. Mine's really zooming in my face. So this thing is going wrong because there's something wrong. Gone wrong, you guys. Look. It shouldn't be looking like that. Why does it look like it has cinnamon on it? You did something wrong here, Madeline.
I did nothing. I'm not even cooking.
This is going really bad, you guys. I did something wrong here. Because, Madeline, camera person, you're my camera person right now. Look what happened. They're not supposed to be looking like that. I couldn't even flip it, you guys. I did something wrong. You did something wrong, probably.
Burn. Almost done. Now we just gotta upload it.
Why are you doing that if it's not your video? Guys, I've been flipping it with
She's
this
in
thing
it.
because I can't flip it. It's like I did something wrong here, you guys. I can't really flip with this thing, you guys. I mostly do it with my hands. That's how it's burn my fingers. Not really. I'm a little aggressive right now because this is a little stressing because I did something wrong. I don't know what I did. It's probably the masa.
She has currently 3. You can clearly tell. Don't mind the little mess of the chef.
It's cause I'm really hungry right now, and when I'm hungry I can't really do the best. Guys, I'm actually a pro at this. I'm really good at this. I'm just making it bad for the video. I'm joking, you guys. I'm normally really good at this. I just did something wrong.
For the first time in forever. I did something wrong.
I don't know why it was buzzing. It was buzzing, you guys. Oh, I did something wrong, you guys.
She took out one right there.
It looks weird because it broke. It ripped. See? I did something wrong.
She's gonna taste test them when she's done.
Don't have my tortillas. My pupusas. They turned out a little fat. They're still right there, you guys. You can see, right? They're here. And I have some here too here. And you're not having the video?
No, not really.
The thing is, I'm using this because I made it wrong. I did a little, I had a little complication there. I did something wrong, you know. I don't know what I did. And
She made them a little too big.
yeah, that thing too. I made them a little fat. I'm a little thick. The thing is, I did something wrong. That's why they look weird, and I couldn't really, you know. But normally I'm a pro at this. So, hoping for the best, you know. Oh, this one turned out good. This one turned out a little better. It's just a little, you know, a little thick. This one.
There you guys see the chef.
The chef in her best clothes.
Oh, outfit.
This t-shirt I got from Forever 21 and
Nice shirts.
So proud. This two right here. I don't think you guys can see. Just two right here. They look really good. It's not working right now. I need to look good, you guys. Wait. Okay.
Don't drop them.
I'm not. I was holding it. That's gonna be the thumbnail, you guys. Okay, guys. Now I look good for the camera. The pupusas I made.
She made 4.
One for me. So we're gonna test them. I don't know. I'm scared because it turned out a little weird. They look weird.
Taste them too.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna taste them. Get yourself a plato.
We're gonna taste them here.
Okay. I have my water bottle. Move.
Issues.
Okay, here's my water bottle. I'm gonna drink water first because I always do that.
They're about the size of my.
You're gonna eat that one. I'm gonna eat the this weird looking one because look here.
This is how they look like up close.
This one more burnt because the frijoles were coming out. Okay, stop.
Where's the air?
You burned your finger, bro.
There's people that eat this with ketchup.
They're just mostly tortillas, you guys. I don't know why. I normally make them really good. And actually, mine kind of tastes like tortilla. Just
Not gonna lie, my mom does them better.
well, it's because today I did something bad. I did something wrong. I don't know why. So this thing turned out bad, but the process is the same, you guys. It just turned out bad. I don't know why.
More
I don't
pressure.
know why. No. I already know how to make them. I just did something wrong. Oh no, I forgot to do something. How could I forget?
You forgot to melt the cheese.
Yeah. First thing
Even I know that. No
I
wonder
had to
it's
melt the
weird.
cheese a little bit with frijoles, and then I put more frijoles.
No wonder it's a little weird.
No wonder mine is just tortilla. Guys want some? It tastes really good though. It tastes like a heart, kind of. Not really.
So would you say this was a fail? Are you gonna do it again for you?
Next time I have more frijoles, but now I don't have any more. I ruined them.
Oh, wait. Wait.
See, like normally this queso going like this,
It doesn't.
but you guys, you see, at least I told you guys the truth.
At least you didn't lie.
But they're good. I'm just burning my mouth right now, but they're really good. So please subscribe, people, if you want more fails in the kitchen. You guys want to laugh at me too, you know. So please subscribe and like, comment something good, because if not, I'm gonna get mad and I might block you. I'm joking, you guys. I'm always being sarcastic. Okay, have a bad day, you guys.